Both the Yukon and long-wheelbase Yukon XL offer seating for up to 8 passengers, although ordering the popular second-row captain's chairs lowers the total capacity to 7. Denali models offer open-pore wood trim with laser-etched topographical patterns and chrome accents. The Denali also includes 16-way power-adjustable front seats with heated, ventilated, and massaging cushions. The Yukon is available with second-row executive seating that includes luxury captain's chairs. The infotainment system in every Yukon is a 16.8-inch touchscreen that is orientated vertically. It has Google software integrated into it, giving access to an endless array of applications. It features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in addition to a Wi-Fi hotspot. The fanciest second-row seats have speakers in the headrests as part of the 22-speaker Bose sound system. Second-row passengers can likewise alter the climate settings using the optional 8.0-inch touchscreen. Additionally, a rear seat entertainment system is available. Cargo capacity is excellent, particularly in the larger XL model. With every seat folded, the latter provides an incredible 145 cubic feet of cargo space, while the standard Yukon can hold up to 133 cubes. A variety of driver assistance systems are available, but GMC only includes basic technology as standard, requiring customers to pay extra for more advanced options. Night vision with thermal object detection is optional, as is GM's renowned Super Cruise hands-free driving mode.